Hi guys, I'm back again. What are we learning today? I believe you can see dy dx, the famous dy dx, differentiation of an equation like this. So there's a name, we'll call this, it's called implicit differentiation, because it's mixed together. You cannot make x the subject, you cannot make y the subject, even if you want to try. So I give you a task to try and do it. Okay, how do we do this? So from differentiation, you should know the basic for differentiation. So if I have an equation, y is equals to x squared, so dy dx or y dash is 2x. So you bring the power down, you minus 1. Bring the power down, minus 1 from the power. Okay? So that is dy dx. But there's a problem here. So we're going to do it, but we're going to apply a rule. So we're going to differentiate implicitly. So if I differentiate this becomes 2x. Bring the power down, minus 1 from it. Now how do I differentiate this? So I'm going to use the product rule. So even if, because there are two variables, so I will hold this constant. I will hold this constant. If I differentiate y, anytime I differentiate y, I have to put dy dx along with it. So hold this constant, differentiate y, you will get 1 dy dx. Because if you differentiate y to the power of 1, y to the power of 1, so this is 1, okay? Bring the 1 down, so 1, y, 1 minus 1. So this will be 1 times y is 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So that's how I got that. So I'm holding x, and I'm differentiating this. So I'll just use different colors. So I'm holding x, and I differentiate y. I'm not done. Now I have to hold y. I will differentiate x. There is no y. So if I differentiate x, I get 1. Because x to the power of 1, same thing like we did for y. I am done with that. So if you have two or more variables together, just apply the product rule. From here, this is very easy. So minus, so if you differentiate, this is 1. So this will be 4. Bring 4 times 1 is 4. Then we'll have 1 minus 1. Okay? So 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Don't forget that. There's y here. Remember what we said? Whenever you differentiate y, you always add dy dx. So this is 5 times 1 dy dx. I'm just putting 1 there for your reference. You don't have to put 1. I can erase it. 1 is not, it doesn't, 1 times anything is same thing. If I differentiate a number without any variable is 0, you might ask why. If I have y is equals to 1, this is the same thing as 1x to the power of 0. So I bring it down, so 1 times 0, x, 0 minus 1. 0 times anything is 0. I'm done. So plus 0, you don't need to put it. If you differentiate 0, you get 0. Now I just need to collect like terms. So this will be 2x plus x dy dx plus y minus 4 plus 5 dy dx equal to 0. So I move this to the other side, move this, move this. So I have x dy dx plus 5 dy dx is equals to 4 minus y minus 2x. So dy dx, I'm factorizing. So x plus 5 equal to 4 minus y minus 2x. So dy dx will be 4 minus y minus 2x over x plus 5. So this is my dy dx. So what have we learned? We've learned how to differentiate implicit. So we can have two variables. We can use product rule to differentiate. Whenever you're differentiating y, you always have to put dy dx. Then you just have to factorize, move things around, and you get your answer. Alright guys, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and have a nice day.